it's time to do some recycling in Norway. So in Norway, you have on their cans, pant 2 or, there we go, pant 3. And so that basically in American terms is like 20 cents or 30 cents. There's also pant 1, but I don't see those very often. I'm not sure what cans or bottles that comes on, but it's not on just your average, like, just regular cans. And this is the bigger one. This is a 1.5 liter bottle. So, all right, take these. We gotta go to the store. So it's pretty straightforward. The only difference that I have noticed from Norway and America is that Norway has a thing called a panta latria, which means that after you put in your panta recycling, you can either take the money that's on the screen back, or you can play the lottery and you can win more money. But if you don't win, then all the money goes to the Red Cross. So, it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. Pant 3, okay. 3 pant. This one's 2. Now that I have 16, I'm gonna do the pant latria. Let's see if I won. Nope, I did not win. Ingen, I did not win. Better luck next time. So let's return the rest of these and just get the money for them. This one is Swedish, so it says utan pant. It didn't count. That's everything. The 2 Swedish cans, utan pant, the rest, there we go. So, 54 kroner. It's like $5.40 American. Not bad. Plastpusa, plastic bags. Put those in there. I need to wash my hands. And then the lottery one that I didn't win goes right in the garbage. Hello. Give the receipt. There.
Thank you.
For the punt. 4 comes this way, and 50 here. Thank you. Hada. Yeah, 54. 54. 54 kroner.